Hello dear friends, welcome back to your on YouTube channel Civil Engineer. In previous video we have estimated the quantities of material for reinforced cement concrete having volume 400 cubic meter and ratio of concrete was 1:2:4. In this video lecture we will solve another problem related to quantity estimation of reinforced cement concrete having total volume 300 meter cube and ratio of concrete is 1:4:6. So watch the video full and do not forget to like this video. Let's get started. Here the total volume of concrete given is 300 cubic meter and the ratio of concrete used is 1:4:6. Volume of wet concrete given is 300 meter cube. We will calculate dry volume of concrete which is equal to wet volume multiplied by 1.54. 1.54 is factor used to convert wet volume into dry volume. So dry volume will be equal to 300 meter cube multiplied by 1.54. After simple calculation we will get total dry volume is 462 cubic meter. So dry volume of concrete is 462 cubic meter. Concrete ratio is 1:4:6. Sum of ratio will be equal to 1 plus 4 plus 6 which is equal to 11. Volume of each material can be calculated by using this equation. Volume of material is equal to ratio of that material multiplied by total volume divided by sum of ratio. Now we will calculate quantity of each material. First we will start with calculation quantity of cement. Dry volume of concrete is 462 cubic meter and sum of ratio is 11. Volume of cement will be equal to ratio of cement multiplied by total volume divided by sum of ratio. Ratio of cement is 1 and total volume is 462 and sum of ratio is 11. So doing sample calculation we will get volume of cement is 42 cubic meter. And we know that density of cement is 1440 kilogram per meter cube. Now to change volume of cement into weight of cement, just multiply volume of cement by density or unit weight of the cement. So we will get weight of cement is equal to 42 cubic meter multiplied by 1440 kilogram per meter cube. After doing simple calculation we will get weight of cement is 60,480 kilograms, or you can say that 60.48 tons. We know that volume of one cement bag is equal to 0.035 cubic meter. So to change volume into number of bags, so just divide total volume of cement by volume of one cement bag. We will get number of cement bag is 1200. Now we will calculate volume of sand for this concrete work. Volume of sand will be equal to 4 multiplied by 462 divided by 11. 4 is the ratio of sand, 462 is total volume and 11 is sum of ratio. After doing simple calculation we will get total volume of sand required for this concrete work is 168 cubic meter. If you want to calculate number of trucks or tippers of sand required, just divide total volume of sand by volume of single truck. Volume of single large truck is equal to 10 cubic meter. This volume changes country to country. So number of trucks required for this concrete work will be equal to 168, which is total volume of sand, divided by 10, which is volume of one single truck. We will get number of truck is 16.8, which is nearly equal to 17. Now we will calculate volume of coarse aggregate. Volume of coarse aggregate will be equal to 6 multiplied by 462 divided by 11. Here 6 is ratio of coarse aggregate or crushed stone, 462 is total volume of concrete and 11 is sum of ratio. After doing simple calculation we will get total volume of coarse aggregate or crushed stone required for this concrete work is 252 cubic meter. Now if you want to calculate number of trucks, just follow the same method. We know that volume of single truck is 10 cubic meter and number of trucks will be required 252 divided by 10. After doing simple calculation we will get number of trucks or tippers equal to 25.2 or simply 25. Now we will calculate steel quantity required for this concrete work. Consider steel quantity for this concrete work is 2% of total volume of concrete. So we will get volume of steel is 2 divided by 100 multiplied by 462. After doing simple calculation we will get total volume of steel is 9.24 cubic meter. Unit weight or density of steel is 7850 kg per meter cube. Now if you want to calculate volume of steel into weight of steel, just multiply this volume by unit weight. We will get weight of steel is 9.24 cubic meter multiplied by 7850 kg per meter cube. After doing simple calculation we will get weight of steel is equal to 72,534 kilograms, or in tons it is equal to 72.5 tons. Now abstract up quantities for this concrete work having volume 300 cubic meter and ratio of the concrete is 1:4:6. Quantity of cement required is 60,480 kilogram or 42 cubic meter or 1200 bags. Quantity of sand or pine aggregate required is 168 cubic meter or 17 trucks. Capacity of each truck is 10 cubic meter. Quantity of crushed stone or coarse aggregate estimated is 252 cubic meter or 25 trucks. Quantity of steel required for this concrete work is 72,534 kilograms or 72.5 tons. It was all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video full. Please do not forget to like this video.